All right, guys. Right now we have a back on live break. It's going to be Hockeyfoo. He's going to be doing 2013-14 Upper Deck of the Cup hockey. One box of that. So Hockeyfoo, good luck. Let's see what we get for you today. Yeah, not a problem. I'll get that for you. Nothing much inside. There we go. All right. Let's see what we get today. Let me see if I can pull these out real quick. Yep, there we go. All right, starting off to 249, Bobby Orr. We got a beautiful patch up next. Patch auto, number to 249, Lyndon Vay. That is a beautiful patch. All right, up next, we have autographed patch card, limited logos, number to 50, Mike Modano. Behind that, we have a scripted sticks autographed stick card, number to 35, Grant Fuhr. Grant Fuhr. Behind that, we have a Rookie Brilliance Shadow Box auto, Morgan Riley. And behind that, we have a autographed 1/1 printing plate of Ryan Murphy. Ryan Murphy. Cool. So that will do it for your box, Hockeyfoo. Again, appreciate the order. We'll get that shipped out for you.